Q805116. When computing takeoff data, what is the percentage of the effective tailwind component which may be applied to the still air data? A. Not less than 150%. B. Not less than 100%. C. Not more than 50%. The correct answer is A. Not less than 150% of the indicated tailwind component may be considered when computing takeoff statistics. 8050. Which performance requirement applies to passenger-carrying land airplanes being operated over water? A. Multi-engine airplanes must be able to climb, with the critical engine inoperative, at least 50 feet per minute at 1,500 feet above the surface. B. Single-engine airplanes must be operated at an altitude that will allow them to reach land in case of engine failure. C. Multi-engine airplanes must be able to climb, with the critical engine inoperative, at least 100 feet per minute at 1,000 feet above the surface. The correct answer is B. Any individual operating a land aircraft over water must do so at a height that enables the aircraft to land in the event of an engine failure. 8051. What performance is required of a multi-engine airplane with the critical engine inoperative while carrying passengers for hire in IFR weather conditions? A. Climb at least 100 feet per minute at the highest MEA of the route to be flown or 5,000 feet MSL, whichever is higher. B. Climb at least 50 feet per minute at the MEAs of the route to be flown or 5,000 feet AGL, whichever is higher. C. Climb at least 50 feet per minute at the MEAs of the route to be flown or 5,000 feet MSL, whichever is higher. The correct answer is C. When carrying passengers for hire in IFR, instrument flight rules, weather conditions, a multi-engine airplane with the critical engine inoperative must be able to climb at least 50 feet per minute at the MEAs of the route to be flown or 5,000 feet MSL, whichever is higher. This performance requirement ensures that the aircraft has adequate climb capability to maintain a safe altitude while operating in IFR conditions, even with the loss of one engine. It provides a margin of safety and allows the aircraft to clear obstacles and maintain the required minimum altitude along the route. 8792. The crew member interphone system on a large turbojet-powered airplane provides a means of two-way communications between ground personnel and at least one of two flight crew members in the pilot compartment when the aircraft is on the ground. The interphone station for use by ground personnel must be located so that those using the system from that station A. Are always visible from within the airplane. B. Are able to avoid the intake areas of the engines. C. May avoid visible detection from within the airplane. The correct answer is C. The interphone system station for ground staff must be placed so that system users can use it without being seen by passengers on board. 8831. For which of these aircraft may part of the clearway distance for a particular runway be considered in computing the takeoff distance? A. Passenger-carrying transport aircraft. B. Turbine-engine, powered transport airplanes, certificated after September 30th, 1958. C. U.S. certified transport airplane, certificated before August 26, 1957. The correct answer is B. When calculating the takeoff distance for turbine-engine aircraft certified after September 30th, 1958, Clearway may be used.